In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start from your Squarespace site's dashboard. From the main menu, click Website, then select Pages. This takes you to the central hub for all the pages on your site. Think of the Pages panel as your site's table of contents. It's where you see what's live in your navigation, what's tucked away for later, and how everything is organized. On the left, you'll see a list of your existing pages. This list is your quick snapshot of the site's structure. It helps you understand what's currently visible to visitors and what's behind the scenes. If your site uses sections like main navigation or other areas, you'll see them separated here, which can be helpful for keeping things tidy as your site grows. Now look toward the top of that Pages panel for a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new page. This is your starting point for adding anything from a simple information page to a more designed layout. If you don't immediately spot it, make sure your Pages panel is expanded and you're in the correct site view, then try again. After you click the plus icon, Squarespace will prompt you to choose what kind of page to add. Here, you can create a blank page or select from one of the available templates. A blank page is perfect if you want full control and prefer to build the layout from scratch. It gives you a clean slate to add sections and content exactly the way you envision it. Templates, on the other hand, are pre-designed starting points. They're great if you want a page that looks polished right away, and you can still customize every part later. You'll typically see templates for common needs like About, Contact, or Gallery pages, each with thoughtfully arranged sections to speed up your workflow. Once you choose blank or pick a template, your new page appears in the Pages list. From there, you're ready to begin editing the content and layout when you're ready. Remember, the whole flow is straightforward. Open Website, go to Pages, click the plus icon, and then choose blank or a template. That's all there is to adding a new page in Squarespace. Keep this quick process in mind whenever you want to expand your site with fresh content or a new section.